Hi, we are unboxing today DJI Mini 2 and charging display base. This DJI Mini 2 is Fly More combo bundle. So let's unbox and see what is inside. The whole bundle in carry box. So we have DJI drone, the controllers, some accessories box. I think there's 3 additional batteries and the charger. And charging cable. So it comes with 3 battery charging unit, and you have 3 batteries and some extra propeller as well. Okay, very nice bag to carry things around. There's some more screws and extra propeller you can find in the bag as well. And at this time the Argus is doing an offer. We're giving you free charging display charging cord. So you can have your drone inside this display when you're charging. So that's it for today, and we'll try to fly it tomorrow if it's dark and tell you the reviews. Thanks for watching.